Xunto is a project-based system, and every project starts with a team, and in that team, people have different roles. So, for example, in that screen, we see that I have 5 members in that team, and someone is a project manager. Basically, he can do everything in the tool. Another one is Chris, is the ID instructional designer. So he can do pretty much everything except invite people into the project, but he has the right to basically structure the project. So he's the one who going to create the curriculum and assign the different storyboards to the curriculum. Then we have the content developer that will fill in what the ID created. I mean, entering text, images, sounds, narration. They can do that, and you can invite customer and SME to work along with you. So at least you have the entire team in the tool ready to collaborate.